Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA, and I'm so excited to announce my new program on how to sell your products to Groupon goods. So if you have a great physical products and you want to get your products on Groupon, a daily deal site that has access to 52 million customers, that one online site can get your products in front of millions of people. This program will be perfect for you. I have clients who make between $50,000 and $100,000 a month just with this one distribution strategy. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen for you, but I actually, I've talked to many customers who are doing phenomenally well. And it's a great additional strategy and additional revenue stream for you and your business. So let's talk about what's included in this program. First of all, it comes with extensive video training on exactly how to approach, pitch, and sell Groupon. You got to learn about the pricing that they expect from you, the packaging that they expect from you, the margins, what you're going to have to deal with in terms of shipping and deliverability and stuff like that. So all of that core stuff, and then the actual sales training on how to pitch them what they want to hear from you and so forth. So that's really, really important. Now, the next amazing thing that's part of this program is that I actually interviewed a Groupon buyer. So you're going to have like almost a 60-minute video or audio training, I should say, with a Groupon buyer. I'm interviewing him, asking him all the pertinent questions. What's cool about working with them? What are some challenges? What to think about? How do they want to be approached? And so forth. So you're going to get an actual Groupon goods buyer interview in there. Now, the next thing that you're going to get is actually a list of Groupon buyers' contact information, the direct contact information. You're going to get their first name, their last name, their email address, what they purchased, and so forth. Yes, buyers exist at Groupon. So we're actually going to give you a very extensive list of buyers' contacts so that you can go after them. And we're also going to teach you what to do if maybe the buyer's no longer there, or if there's some strategy that you need to think through in regards to figuring out which is the appropriate buyer for your product type. And the coolest part is I also have live interview training that you're going to receive access to of one of my clients, the one I told you about, who sells between 50 and 100,000 units a month, or $1,000 a month, I should say. On Groupon, there's a whole live Q&A I did with him at one of my live events. I do big live events as well, and he was at my last live event, and he did a whole session on how he makes money with Groupon. So I am so excited for you in regards to this program. It's powerful. I try to put everything in there that I would ever want to know about if I wanted to utilize Groupon as a distribution strategy, and I hope to work with you. So take a look below. There's a lot of information about the program, and otherwise I'll see you on the other side. This is Karen Waksman with Retail MBA, and I'm so excited to support you in generating revenue with your physical product. Thanks so much.